Science Park is involved in technology transfer activities in University Putra Malaysia, moving the potential technologies and innovations from the laboratories to the marketplace. InnoHub is UPM's first innovation lab targeted at nurturing talents from unipreneurs who work on translating technologies and innovations into market-viable products.
Commercializing R&D innovations is not an easy task, but it is a rewarding one. InnoHub is a year-long program at UPM that enables researchers to discover their market, learn about entrepreneurship, and use the tools that they've learned to successfully bring their R&D innovations to market for the benefit of all.